Hi, Jason Muszala with Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum maintenance update again, and what you can look forward to in 2020, in the month of January anyways. So with the P40 annual being complete now, we've sort of slowed down on heavy maintenance and tried to really just wrap our year up and work on maybe some smaller projects, some of which being ADSB installs. As I've been mentioning throughout these updates, we need to continue to get the entire fleet upgraded to the ADSB transponder certifications and get ready for next year, because they're all required next year. So we have another 4 aircraft that we're working on getting those installations completed on, one of which being the Focke-Wulf 190 that you see here behind me. Also in the month of December, we had several events, and one of which being a very major event which included all 3 hangars. And as those of you know who visit quite often, we have a relatively limited number of staff, and so anytime we have a big event like that, it includes all of us. So we did lose about a week just to get ready for this event, rearranging airplanes and tanks and other artifacts, and put on a really great private event here in the collection that included all 3 hangars. It was something to see. So I guess just for a short plug, if you know anybody in the market for a special event, we have a great venue for it, and it works out really well. So moving on into 2020, you can expect further updates on the Ju-87 Stuka. The Hungarians have now left, and we're planning our next phase of restoration work for that, as well as our ME-262. We're getting really close, and we'll really kind of dive into the details just after the first of the year on that. The airplane's over in Moses Lake, as you guys know, and we're really circling the hole, so to speak, to knock that one out. So we're getting really excited for that. Additionally, around here you will see a lot of annual inspection work take place. We've got a lineup ready to go for January, and so you'll see heavy maintenance. So if you enjoy seeing the airplanes with the cowlings and panels off, it'd be a great time to visit in January. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month, next year, and next decade.